Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to be adding images to our slider. So I have logged into the dashboard of Wordpress. So to add the images to the slider, we have to look for the plugin we added on. We added a plugin called Meta Slider. So click on the Meta Slider plugin and that will launch the screen. You can see we've got no images at the moment. So click on New, and from the New tab we can select to add images. So we click on New again, and that will give you option to upload the images. You can see here we've got Add Slide. So we'll click on Add Slide. So you click on that. Just click next to escape that. This will be the logo. So to actually add images, you click on the upload button, click on upload and select the location of your images. Mine are here, so I'm just going to select them, 1, 2, 3, and click open, and it's uploading the images. It appears to be uploading more than 3 images, but it's actually 3 images it's going to upload. So these are the 3 images, the ones ticked for the slider. So I'm just going to click on add to slideshow, and that will add the images. And these are some properties for the slider that we can play around with to tweak the slider. So here, if you want to add a caption to your images, you can add a caption here. And if you want your images to be clickable, you can add a URL. For example, when the image is clicked on, you can set it to redirect to a page on your website. So I'm going to make some changes to the width. I'm going to change the width to 1080. And I'm going to change the height to 400. So we're going to make some changes. This is the original slider that came with the theme. This slider has got arrows here on both sides, and you've got these little dots here. So the plugin slider we've downloaded hasn't got those, so we need to take those options off. So within the menu here, this is the arrow. So I need to uncheck that because this plugin hasn't got those arrows. And the hidden dots, I'm going to uncheck that because this plugin hasn't got that. So I have removed this option and also removed the dots from the meta slider, this slider here, this meta slider. Next, we can click on the advanced settings to see more settings here. So you look in the advanced here, you can see some options here. Here is a slide delay. Basically, this is the time it takes for the images to change over in the slide. At the moment, it's set to 3000 milliseconds, which is equivalent of 3 seconds. So if you want your images to change quicker than that, you can reduce that side. So I'm going to just reduce mine to half of that. Yeah, but feel free to change it to whatever speed you want. This slide delay is not actually the speed. This is the time it takes to change the slides over. Also here, the speed refers to how fast you want it to go between the images. So the setting here is 600, so you can reduce that. I'm going to reduce that to maybe 200. But feel free to play around with these values. So you can always come back here to make changes if you need to do that. So I'm happy with the changes for now. I'm going to click on the save button to save the changes to the slider. So the images for the slider are ready. So in order to incorporate that into our web page, we need to go into Appearance and click on Customize, and that will bring up the customization screen for the theme. And then you get the settings here. So click on the theme settings and click on the home page, and you can see it's got the demo slider, which is this slider here. So we want to change it to our own slider. So we'll click on where it says new slideshow. So you click on the new slideshow, and that should show up there you go. So it should show up our own slide. So once you've got that sorted, just click on hit publish, and that will publish that. So let's view this properly in the website. So I'm just going to X out of this dashboard area and click on the link to the website, or you can click visit site. You can see that's the slider image now. You can see it should automatically change. We haven't got the arrow on this one because we've selected a different plugin, but you can see it's automatically changing based on the timing we have set. So that's it for adding the slider images to a slider. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.